Hi everyone, yasas, que kalos to another episode of Dimitra's Dishes. Today I'm making an artichoke Saganaki dip. I love shrimp Saganaki. It's shrimp with feta cheese cooked in a tomato sauce, and I had lots of canned artichokes in my pantry, and I thought to myself, let me make an artichoke and feta Saganaki dip. It's perfect for parties, it's perfect as an appetizer, and it's so easy to put together. Let me show you how I make it. Okay, so we're going to begin by finely chopping a small onion. This is going to go into the skillet. This is a skillet that can go into the oven, so I like to start with one of those so that way there's fewer things to clean up. So the onion is going in with some olive oil. We're going to cook this until the onion is soft and golden. Takes about 7-8 minutes over medium heat. Then I have some garlic cloves here. 3 or 4 is all you need. Grate them and put them in there. Cook them for a few seconds until they're nice and fragrant. Then we're going to go in with a tablespoon of tomato paste, cook it down just for a few seconds. 1 15-ounce can of either crushed tomatoes or tomato sauce. A little bit of honey to kind of offset the acidity that's in the tomatoes. We're going to season with salt, pepper, some crushed red pepper flakes, dried oregano, and then mix this all up and cook it down for a few minutes, about 10 minutes or so. Take it off of the heat. And then over here I have a 14-ounce can of artichoke hearts that have already been quartered. I've drained them really well. These are going to go in. I'm not going to cut them anymore. I want them to kind of hold their shape. And then I'll crumble in 6 to 8 ounces of feta cheese. This is going to go in the oven. My oven is already preheated to 400 degrees Fahrenheit. And this is going to bake on the center rack for about 25 minutes. The last few minutes of baking, if you want to make this even more cheesy, you can go in and sprinkle in a handful of shredded mozzarella or your favorite cheese that, melts and has a little bit of a pull to it. Once the cheese is melted, take it out of the oven. We're just going to garnish this with some finely chopped parsley, and it's ready to serve. And there you have it. My artichoke Saganaki is ready. The artichokes are tender. The feta basically melted into that rich tomato sauce. It's so good. I know you're gonna love this one, especially if you have some cans of artichokes in your pantry that are waiting to be used. This is a very unique way to serve them. Everyone is gonna love it because that tomato sauce combined with the artichokes are a little bit tangy, they melt and they become a little bit tender and creamy. The feta is everything. And of course, I like to top it with some more cheese, mozzarella to have a little bit of pull. All you need is some toasted bread or some pita for this, and it's ready to serve. You can print the recipe out on the blog, dimitrasdishes.com. Let me know what you think in the comment section down below. Thank you so much for spending time with me today. I'll see you all next time. Yes, us.